So for example, like, you know, like in a laptop when there's like a fan inside and then things get hot. Yeah, but basically, so these are the high performance fans. These are gonna be the ones that spin really fast. So it is gonna generate a little bit of noise. We also have blowers and also the IC fans, so they're kind of like embedded. These are our newer products, Aquas fans. We haven't set it up yet, but they can actually withstand water. They're waterproof and dustproof. They're IP68 rated, so yeah, they can withstand elements. And then these are our heat sinks and heat pipes.
Okay, excellent. Excellent. I like those. Are those welded with like what kind of welding is here? Oh, it's not a welding. It's just cool pipe going through.
I'm not sure what type of welding that is, but we can check with our R&D team, and then I can go ahead and get information on that. Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, it's usually.
And
like
the company.
like
Where is the company located?
the headquarters is in South Florida. We do have our manufacturers in Taiwan, Vietnam, and China.
Okay, okay.
But yeah, I'm the field sales representative here local in California.
Okay. All right.